This we'll have last topic for the instruction course, which is, I think, very, very important, that do we need to market ourselves? And Dr. Mayank will be talking about this. Dr. Mayank?
Right. Thank you, Dr. Paran. I will be discussing regarding the marketing for an eye surgeon, a solo practitioner like us. Is it a necessity or an option? I am practicing at Handwani, which is near Nainital, and feel free to contact me whenever you want. Right. So we will be discussing these topics into why is it important, what are the effective marketing strategies, how to build a personal brand for an eye surgeon, and then how to evaluate what we have done. So the landscape is changing, healthcare landscape is changing fast. As we know, now there's increasing competition, corporates are coming up, various TPAs and insurances are there. So an eye surgeon has to adapt to these changes and stand out in the crowd so as he can attract more patients. And not only that, the patients are now empowered. They have all the information right on the tip of their fingers. So the surgeon has to, again, work more harder and come to his patient's notice. For this, professional visibility is important, and that is the reason why we should all be considering marketing as a very important tool. Before we start thinking of marketing, there are some code of ethics which are important, which we should know and follow, so that ethical marketing is important. How is surgeon-patient relationship changing? How the marketing will help to develop first impressions amongst the patients even before the patient comes to you. When he's searching on the web or any other social media, it can help in developing a stronger patient-doctor relationship prior to his actually meeting you. There are various communication channels which we'll be discussing, and most importantly, not only the patient footfall coming to your OPD, but retaining those patients back and keeping them engaged through education and other various feedback mechanisms is important. What does marketing help us? It helps us to differentiate from our competitors. It helps us to showcase our unique skill sets, different new technologies which we might be having, and with patient care approaches. And this kind of marketing will help us fight newer competitions, newer corporates, and other places. We have to analyze the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat analysis. For a marketing, the strengths could be that it can leverage your advanced technologies, specialized expertise, and focus on patient eye care. Whereas weaknesses could be that if you have a long wait time or limited services offering or outdated facilities, you can come out to know that. And opportunities could be with the coming telemedicine, community outreach programs, and niche eye care could be newer places where you can find opportunities. And regarding the threats, as we know that there is a changing reimbursement policies, the competitive market entrants, and economic downturns like we had in COVID, these can be identified and addressed proactively. Regarding various effective marketing techniques, basically there are two kinds of marketing techniques. Could be a digital marketing